Nare Takbir. Nare Risalat. Even as the Zionists planned to bombard Rafah, it was again the South African government that made an urgent application to the ICJ to intervene as Palestinian solidarity. And this is the beautiful colors of Palestine. Nare Takbir, Nare Risalat. Jazakallah, thank you all. Give me a seat. The program will be as follows. The keynote speaker of today, as you all know, is the Comrade Deputy President. As per protocol, I will now call upon the Provincial Secretary General of the ANC for KwaZulu-Natal, Comrade Bheki Mtolo, to address you. Then the President will address us, inshallah, till about 10 to 1. Thereafter, the khutbah namaz will take place. And then the President will be proceeding to visit
the member of the Executive Council in various capacities in the province of Gauteng, our economic hub, having been a provincial chairperson of Gauteng, having been our Treasurer General, having been our Treasurer General, acting Secretary General, acting Deputy Secretary General, having been the member of cabinet in the South African government, now the Deputy President of our country. Comrade Deputy President, may I call upon you? Thank you.
You may be seated. Thank you very much, Provincial Secretary Bheki Mtolo, for the introduction. When I'm in KZN, you are my leader. I report to them. Let me also start by thanking our Executive Mayor for receiving us in his city. We are grateful, Executive Mayor Usekela, for receiving us. I would like to recognize a few people. If I miss someone, please know that all protocol is observed. Pierre Joad Pasha Habibi, Mufti Gulan Mohammed Sofi, Mufti Mohammed Farouk Sofi, Mufti Mohammed Ibrahim Sofi, Abdul Valudia, President United for Palestine, Imran Subrati, Secretary General, United for Palestine. In the ANC, we just call it SG. So SG, Imran Subrati. Let me also acknowledge Comrade Muntu, PC member, may not be with us here now, but I know has been working very hard organizing our visit. Also recognize all executive members, national executive members of the ANC, PEC, the regional executive members. I'm told that